We've seen that defining a rectangle uses 4 anchor points. I'm going to go on and look at now at drawing something like a circle. I'm going to switch to the ellipse tool. I'm going to move my cursor onto my artboard. You will notice that I have a pink line displayed. These are my smart guides. I'm going to mouse down and drag. When I've lined up my graphic with my previous rectangle, you'll see my other smart guide appears. I also get a pink cross in the middle of my ellipse to prove I've actually drawn a circle. I even get a little heads up display giving me the sizes. To see the anchor points, I'm going to switch to my direct selection tool, and you will see that a circle takes 4 anchor points, the same as a rectangle. It gets a little bit more complex because we now have these direction lines emanating from the anchor points. These are known as Bezier handles. The paths in between are Bezier curves. The distance between the handle and the anchor point controls the bend of the curve. It's learning to master how we adjust these Bezier lines.